a short live stream. So ní chur mé rud é má the pobl my community rud ach Tás an bhúteach go má Tás ceáine nóide sáid 16ú lá bhí me hih rééis the 7th of June agus tá lá má go leor tá ghríon na scarteisteach am dus dhéan ag scarte shining in an mé agus bhí lá máine go day to day bhí sé teirm mar se lábit a teirm tá se go má agus tám dearnach bhí me caint lib solar a cuairtú a lorug an Bjorkert agus deile lom Jaimsú. I was looking for the Bjorkert there agus tá dearnach bhí me kind of the last time I was talking to you agus dearma se le gailge le béla man ní féidir am fuhéidir I can't do subtitles. Écha so ní bhí má beidir níon me finúmad beidir finúmad mar sin mé Tás a doctor service come my area I'm a bit hungry so I have to do my dinner soon so I might only do 20 minutes on the live stream. Écha tá so much blue go má ní legan is a live stream fós so there's no one here yet écha is come kind of marm kaint agus deilem bíorcadáil agus an magarlín na meach agus Dear Canháin, ní amach Canháin sin méid, Dear Canháin, only one. Gohandó usually bíte dan bíte farsin, an nora bítar farsin, hannig me sé no seacin an nora a leid. I saw 6 or 7 last year, they were plentiful enough last year. Fi big fádi na sam. Vi trumach mas clean lib mi baltan a jede mi aibran stoi Gotí beidir caiicseachan bhí trumachan mar bhí beidir cheile seaachní nar ra bháistechan as bhí chas an freisin agus níomhachas beidir chu sin a raic cin te sin raic chu steach beidir an maclín amach a bheith faoi bhlá beidir níl sam a chu récha sin tróí sin. Honey my Canháin in mar me mé ceannim lean ar leib man anra honey my Canháin. If I don't see any more Bjork, at least I'm able to say that I saw one this year, at least just once. As we just sort of creenly is creenly means withered, so we sort of rubber creenly, a little bit withered. Sen troiach, he's come. Feikim tá birch trúr sa live stream is so ma dain ceist ag home. I see 3 people in the live stream now, so if you have any questions for me, you can ask away. If it's your theory, ma dain ceist ag go gailgóir ó thuchas you can ask a native speaker, Irish speaker from the Iron Islands. Question, guest. So cleanly withered than bhí me searching of bhí hartar seachtain nach buna seachtain nach bhí trochá but there was a bad gale. Kathleen Fox. Hello Kathleen Fox. Tá sulam go tu go ma, hope you're good, hope you're well. Yeah, so bhí trochá Mar se beidir gin te an dochar gon marlín amach beidir te dochar gon Bjorkert, the strong gales we had last weekend might have damaged the Bjorkert. Beidir sin an teoric a tam hain. That's the theory I have anyway. Beidir. Well, nora mar dús me sé na seaci honnig me hartar this time last year I probably spotted 6 or 7 at least at a lithe. Gohardich, especially Gohardich, especially. Nice to hear our native tongue. Gurmad, sa. Tasulim go to goma, sa. Hope you're well. Ein hashtag. Any questions for For a native Irish speaker from Milan from the Iron Islands, Spraoi, I'll do my best. Jyna ma mo yiel. I'll do my best. Jyna ma mo yiel fragra a hwrch. I'll do my best to give an answer to any questions asked. Now be fatty sorry, don't be afraid now to ask a question. If I'm a good cougar, carer, son, so live stream. My core fatties are not doing, I'm scaring people off. Thank you, the scarter start. The sun is shining high, shining in Maeve white high. Agus when did English replace Irish? Well, not a hike the sass next day when the English came. That's when it all went downhill from there. Maeve White, where are you from? Ilan Oren, the Aran Islands. So when did English replace Irish? Well, listen, Neil Sam, I know Jerry Hale, well, Jerry Hale was probably a gradual process. It's a gradual process of her complicated ends, probably over a period of 100 years, couple of 100 years at least. Well, that's sort of anuchan agus that's so that hopefully, hope to God, Marjara. Nima Crawfach, I'm not religious, but I still say hope to God, or Lacuna J. We often say things like that in Irish, even if we're not religious. But so Lacuna J, with the help of God. So Lacuna J, be Reilige, Dina Dolchan Keen, agus Benny Smoothini Gerga Laurt. With the help of God, people will want to learn Irish and improve on their Irish. There's Uncle Mick, Jogachirish de Chara, the Solon go to Gomair in the Sire. Kisht, why do you think there are so few native speakers on YouTube? Kishva. Yeah, it's an interesting question. Hug my hand for Jared. I've noticed that myself. Hug my hand for Jared. Need some kifa. Ta TikTok agus Instagram am him. I have a TikTok and an Instagram. My Instagram is TikTok le blianta. I've been on both Instagram and TikTok for years, for about 4 or 5 years, doing TikToks and Instagram reels and that. Yeah, I need some. Sheelim Glordina Oga. There's a lot of young people who are native speakers. People would be in their 20s or younger. They probably wouldn't be on YouTube. Stein nach meet their YouTube pro vinnig. Bitchin tachi gondul as TikTok agus Instagram machines. So the younger people are probably more on TikTok, Instagram, and that. Beige could be a fan Neil Sam. Ni has my hain YouTube. Has my YouTube man fover. Shay shacht miochen English. I only started my own YouTube about 6 or 7 months ago. It's my YouTube. Well, channel for YouTube. YouTube I've been a cholone. Neil TikTok na Instagram. I call ni cholone at Instagram no TikTok. It's not everyone that has TikTok or Instagram. So bofalum ni smu gailge a chachan keen YouTube. But the YouTube I cholone. The YouTube the Dom Oga. So Dom, we say Dom, D-R-E, I trim Dom. Dom means a group of people. Dom Oga, the young people. Shan Dom, the older people. Dom in Isir, Dom Ilanar, and people of Ilanar, and people of Isir. So Dom. Instead of saying well, Dram, that's in here something. I understand the Dram, the young people, the old people, understand. The couple Kestel job. I am from Ireland too. Ogama, Maeve White, yes. Tom MCD, Tom McDonough Major, no, Nissan, Tom, What do you think of the new plantation happening currently in Ireland? Need some plantation? Ni higim kitu. I don't understand. Ni sam kitu killing session. I don't understand that question on the new plantation. Says the burgers legit there are Irish speakers. Oh, le kinche. I can't have that burgers legit go as le kuna jay by ni smooth by chile gail guri o húchas by chile gail guri o húchas. So chile Tuill Tuileadh. That's more. Excuse me. So chile. That's so instead of saying marhumpla chetara violet chili chips. Violet chili chips. Would you like more chili chips? Violet chili chips. Chili. In arch raw violet and smooth chips marhumpla. The chili chili is a better way of saying more. So violet chili te violet chili chips. No fibikin there's Maeve, which county are you from? Is Cúndanagailve. I'm from County Galway. Cúndanagailve. Cúndacha is just one of the nicest counties in Ireland. Cúndanagailve. They Gaile Yommerchamarach, so no monach tonight Kilchane. Galway are playing Kilkenny tomorrow in the hurling, in the Leinster final, Leinster hurling final. K Goras Connacht Gaile. Even though Galway's from Connacht, they're playing in the Leinster final against Kilkenny. Nach just some barul. Isn't that funny? Maeve White said hi. Just Mudahutch. Maeve, just Mudahutch. As Keasu Hain, Maeve. Keasu Hain. Where are you from yourself, Maeve? Kincunda. Which county are you from yourself? Kunimam kind so Kunimam kind gentleman. I'll do another 10 or so minutes because I'm starting to get hungry. I don't know if you can hear my bullock, my bullock. It's on a geescan. Geescan is kind of squeaking or making a noise. And a geescan. So the bullock is on the geescan. My belly is making a noise, rumbling. Because I'm hungry. It's a dub. It's dub buhain. You're a dub. Baila Blackia. And Jatach Mór. The big smoke. Baila Clia. Tagalor Gail Godi Maila Clia. There's a lot of there's a lot of Gail Godi Irish speakers in Maila Clia. There's a lot of speakers. Come on. And well, more on Gail Gatain, Maeve. Do you have much Irish yourself? So the Chede Chugian Kegar Kugian. So there's 4 provinces in Irish, even though it's a 5th. Kugia Chonat, Kugia Moon, Kugia Line as Kugia Allah. So there are 4 provinces, even though they're 5th. So the Kugia, CU for the IGE, means a 5th. And the reason for that is once upon a time, Fado, be Kundan na mi, Archivin Rui Nahoni, because of the seat of the king, where the King of Ireland long ago lived, was the royal, hence the name Royal Mead, Kundan na mi. So that's why there's 4 provinces, Achan Nailge, Kugia. So better just in simul, better in Narasik, Chalachan Nation, maybe not everyone knew that. There's Maeve by Slangafol, Maeve, Slangafol. That's what I hope. That's what my Trinona Jazz at. Hope you have a nice evening. So just couldn't mar come a leshkalt, that's a rubak. Nigo Cassaton Jacko Scornot. Nima Roma Bailach known Ishke. No, I haven't drunk enough water today, so I need more rubak Cheddar. My voice is a little bit dry. Come leis ceall. Ní mar chamágad sin, ní mar chamágad sin. Ach, se a cearar fácaí. I have to go, dúirt Maeve. Yeah, tá sé sin cearca leor, Gur mad a síocht agus bheith páirt as a livestream. Thank you for participating in the livestream. Gur mad, Maeve. Slán go fód, Maeve, slán. I made it dúirt níbs bacway. Just mud hutch níbs. Tásúna go tú go má. I hope you're well. Tásúna go tróna last few seconds. I will be match a couple of model. I'll do another 5 to 10 minutes anyway. So so if you have a few questions, mat a couple of catch that go go hochish as if you have a few questions for a native Irish speaker from the Iron Islands. There's Maeve, you are a great YouTuber. Oh, Garamila, thank you. Garamad Maeve. This malum Shinach Mastel, I like to hear that. Tamajana Rudda Kitchagart. I'm doing something right. Garamad. There's Neebs, Garamila Mad. Garamad, ma Intacharfad. Mean to a glaive galore Laura, Neebs. Do you read a lot of books? Mean to live galore Laura. Neebs, book way. So, welcome me to live galore. I presume you read a lot of books. There's Maeve White. I hope you get 1,000 subs. Oh, Misha Freshen. Tasulam. I hope so as well. Garamad Maeve, I hope so as well. Neebs, I hope you can keep showing the written Irish and English on the video. Sure, yeah. So YouTube shorts. So I only do subtitles for short videos because it takes time. And I typically only do the shorts, typically a minute or less. Gohundo nomad ní slow, Fuhegel is subtitles. Fuhegel is subtitles, so I only do kind of short videos when I'm doing subtitles. It takes time until you have to translate and type and all of that. The phone. I do all of that on the phone, so talking job it takes time. So I wouldn't be able to do a longer video. Nivak manan fishan nis fudge. I wouldn't be able to do this is that's so when I'm doing a live stream nus inish like now. Tamaja kind shija berla because I'm kind of speaking Irish and English. I say one thing in Irish as Gemma Rodella Merla. I say the other thing in English and Irish. So Tamaja my yell, I'm doing my best. Yeah. Well ni be a gobert, so I work. I work in the tourist industry, so this is the busy tourist season at Charlie Lenar, so we get loads of tourists here in the summertime, so I'm very busy in summertime. Agus tá páistebag I have a toddler as well, so ní bhín an editing mum, so I don't have as much time as I had a couple of months ago. I'm going to put a couple of years, and I don't have as much time as I did 2 or 3 months ago. Dúirt Uncle Mick, you say agus at for agus agui. Yeah. Would you mind saying them how you'd say and so well that's how we say so we don't say agum. I have agm ag at you have instead of at instead of agat, and then agui instead of agiv. That's how we say it here. It's a níos réachte, tá sé níos frusta. Níos éasca ara mar sin sílim. It's easier to pronounce the way we pronounce here, because it's one less syllable. Instead of agum, at instead of agat. So it's one less syllable. So it's actually easier. It's easier to say the way I say it. Yeah. So there's Neebs. I am still afraid to speak, but I read and I work on pronouncing. Oh, come on. You're doing well. You're doing well. Any bit of any effort is an A plus in my book. A plus. Goma. And oh yes, I understand. Very hard work. Oh yeah. Well, yeah. Listen to subtitles. It does take time. Yeah. Question. Your accent, is it similar to some of the Ulster? Sometimes it seems so. No, Neil. No, it's Tashan Jifrul. No, my accent is very different to the northern accent. It's an Innisir accent. It's an Innisir accent, an Aaron accent. So it's very different to the Ulster. Good a chamber, I thought. Okay, that's how they say it's very different to my accent. I can only do a little bit of the Donegal, Gael Gahun and all. Good chamber, I thought. That's my harkeen. Kehol to Hain. So it's very different. So it's very different. Yes, and you are a great daddy. Oh, Garamila Mad. Low nappies are ammunition. I've changed probably 1,000 nappies at this stage. They're going Hartar Mila nappy Ari Inish. There's Maeve White I subbed. Oh, Intoch. Gormila Mad. Thank you very much, Maeve. Gormila Mad. Cúdan Chulle sub. Every sub matters. Every sub helps. Intach. Gormila Mad, Maeve. Gormila Mad. Thank you very much. Neebs, I am a grandmother. I know. Oh, come on. Intach. It's Mamo. It's Mamo who, Neebs. You're a grandmother, Neebs. Mamo. So the kind of the generic word for grandmother in Irish is Shanvor. But I prefer Mamo. Mamo agus Jajo. Jajo is grandfather. D-I-I-D-E-O. Mamo, M-A-M-O, father. Barlums, Mamo. Mamo. And a lot of people will say, my grandfather, but that literally means old woman, old man, shan Lord. Sorry, old mother. But it means old mother, and shan old father. So it's a kind of little disrespectful because in Donegal, Nunangal, agus in Mayo, Sheelam, Donegal and Mayo, Sheelam Tuashkert Connemara, and North Connemara, I think as well. They'll say Mohid Mór, agus Ahid Mór, Maud Mór. So big mother and big father or grandfather. So that's nicer. That's actually I think I find that nicer than kind of old mother, old father, Shanvor, and no Shanair. Just a bit of association. Maybe you didn't know that, but anyway, that's a jazz. Cornamuna, I think in Cornamuna, which is North Connemara. I don't know. Nisam Kimage Gail Gila Hochich da Faki Cornamuna. I don't know how many native speakers are actually left in Cornamuna, but I spoke to someone from there before, and he said he'd be in his late 70s probably now, and he said that they say Mois, Mór, there. I think they say that in Donegal as well. Agus Muyo and Mayo as well. Neebs said, oh, I did see that in a story reading it. I saw both. Come on. Would you be able to put in the comments a list to pronounce your island alphabet for reading? Kif like Gira guess what exactly does that entail now? Just how we pronounce certain words, is it? Or but I've a good amount of videos done already on my shorts. I probably on YouTube anyway. I probably I don't know how many YouTube shorts I've put up, but probably 50, 60 YouTube shorts probably by now. Later, not today. Oh, I will. Oh, I will. That's all. Yeah. Come on. I might do something. I will go look. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Yeah. Take a lower YouTube shorts. I have a lot of YouTube shorts. But I'll continue. I'd like to put up a YouTube short at least 2 or 3 times a week anyway. Go hundú chun beidir cháú trí YouTube short suas mar se bhhailm chuna leis sin and I keep up with the YouTube shorts to come smile at in the YouTube shorts. People like the YouTube shorts much at guided because they're short. People like it because it's short. Guided, GIRIT, guided is short. That's at guided. Marajara, as you say, Marajara. Ta lagan kaincha. Ta lagan kainchan. Lagan kaincha means idiom. So lagan kaincha, yeah, so that means idiom. Ta blas on megan. Ta blas on megan. So what that roughly translates to is less is more. Less is more, or sometimes less is more. Yeah. Less is more. Ta blas on megan. Well, literally it translates, there's a taste on the smallness, I suppose. That's the literal translation. Ta blas on megan. But it means roughly less is more. So Tana YouTube shorts come on. The YouTube shorts are good because they're 30 second better nomad. They're about 30 seconds to a minute long. They're short. I've been always good information in a short video. Galore ficha and fad, a lot of longer videos. Hug my fichara. Good general to YouTube. A lot of longer videos I've noticed, generally speaking, on YouTube. Gominnic often being galore sort margera filler content. Often there's a lot of filler in longer videos. Could have got video genuman in Twitter, on videos about 10 minutes or longer. Being galore sort of filler, galore sort raw, lots of repetition and kind of getting to the point, taking an age to get to the point of the message or the key information and everything. I come for like short videos, YouTube shorts, just get to the point immediately and just condenses on that word or whatever subject the video happens to be. Just man of YouTube shorts. Especially in Tamanan Fahijel, Seaith man an fuhéile le fi an gairid frusta go leor tugging amach I can make subtitles for shorter videos relatively easily if they're less than a minute, but if it's I remember I my video I remember doing a video a couple of years ago. The video Tina Kerry when it was a 3 or 4 minute long video and I subtitled it. That took a very long time. Yeah, you mightn't think, it's just a 3-4 minute video. There's a lot of work. So, YouTube shorts, nomad when you slow, that's okay. Uncle Mick, there's a taste on the smallness. I'll not even try to understand it, maybe in a few years. Yeah, what's in a literal translation? That's the literal translation, but less is more. Tá blas an megan. Tá blas an megan. Less is more. I was I believe that. Short and sweet, Margera. Short and sweet. Smile session. Gominnic Golor Srani television, a lot of television shows. I tend to prefer kind of slightly shorter episodes of TV drama or whatever. Well, even in a filler, there's not as much filler. There might be soaps, go bin Kang na Fani good idea Kamala soaps. I think that's one of the reasons why soaps are very popular, because they're typically only 20 to 30 minutes. Go minute, go hondo limit that bit of film at physical, maybe 25 minutes with an actual episode, because with the ads, go hondo being ads, bit of cinema ads, and there's usually about 3 or 4 minutes of ads at RT, no BBC, no ITV, no Fibikin, TG Carers in the room. So that's probably a formula they've worked out, that it's as I say, sweet spot Marajara. So ni cha roa the tala with physical no matches in Carcalo. Ruddy elements roa and would like sometimes episodes that are like an hour long or thereabouts. Mean Sam the Benjamin or filler, a lot of fillers filling the episode was kind of unnecessary exposition Marajara, or putting things in just to kind of, I don't know. Yeah, I shouldn't have much in the more. It was a smile. So, or that blast in America, yeah, there's news. Yes, I sure understand. Yeah, didn't you come on? So I might do another 5 minutes or so. I'm very hungry now. I'm very hungry now. I'm surprised you're not able to hear my tummy rumbling. And we all do have chores to work at through the day. So a fast lesson is like finding gold to keep in your pocket all day. Eintum go hillis go homlanat. Go hille agus go homlan. Go hillis go homlan. I completely agree with you. Go hillis go homlan. The blast said America. Yeah. Nugget. Well, as I say, fuckle law. If you learn one Irish word, one new word a day for a year, you'll have 365 words more in your vocabulary. So they want to fuckle no law le blian. By THS fuckle no hat. 365 new words. So, if you do it, it's more bite size, doable. Rebecca Kecholaginer. Oh, Nilena Calaginer Fos, Bema Gina go guided, shall be preparing dinner soon. Go guided, Jenna Coppano Modelis a live stream. I'll do another few minutes and then I'll hit the road, Marajara. Bear Neebs. My new step is to speak a few phrases each day now. Come on, shin spruk. Spruk is like a goal or a target. So spruk, shin spruk ma. That's a good goal, good target. As that's a railiach, and it's realistic. Learning a new word or maybe even a phrase or whatever, it's doable. Just one, focus on just one, learn that, don't go mad, learn it well, just that one word, and you'll have that word then. It's instead of trying to learn, 4 or 5 new words every day, you might kind of get frustrated, you might forget or whatever. So one word, shin spruk ma, shin plan va, that's good idea. Just a couple of model. Could my timer smartwatch. I'm putting a timer for 3 numat. That 3 numat is a 3-minute timer on my watch. Now it's a timer from catch by live stream creating. So when that live stream is finished, when my timer is finished, then live stream creating. You have been most kind to us. Got a mile mad. To stay so long today. God bless you. Oh, Gormila Mad, Neebs, Gormila Mad. session and jazz hostel. It's very nice to hear. Gur míle maith. Gur míle maith. Yeah, bhí me gur a live stream in the day. I wanted to do a live stream yesterday. I didn't have time, so just on the group. I'd like to do a live stream, better word the host a chat, and I'd like to do once or twice a week anyway, if I have time. But anyway, and we'll do Uncle Mick, and we'll do a máireach YouTube no golua. Marta doing Nearly some of me are YouTube live a máireach. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a live stream tomorrow. Better Jaloon, maybe Monday. Pick him at the solo. Beijing, I'm not counting in the morning. Maybe I might be able to do one tomorrow. Beijing, Jack or le shabash bug with my small child, my toddler, and chores. Ruddy legend, being Gina legend, you have to make dinner. Come on, the sigh in Yachan to wash the dishes. Sigh, Soithigh, sigh. It's pronounced sigh. The sigh in Yachan. Being on the sign in Yachan. So take a chulra down. Everything takes time. Jenu with the child, Finnum with the chud, 10 minutes here, 20 minutes there. You have another thing to do, it take a chulra down. Everything takes time. So sigh. So Killen's sigh turns into Soich. Soithech. So that comes, sigh comes from the word Soich. It's the plural of Soich. Soithech. Soich means vessel. Soich, vessel. And sigh means vessels. It was long ago you'd say wash the vessels. Wash the vessels. That's what in English they'd say that in Ireland long ago. I don't know, instead of dishes, I don't know when dishes became more dominant to say instead of vessels, but that's what they said. That's what they used to say. But in Irish, in Gaelic, it's Soich. So nichan na sai. So ni. So the timer is gone. The timer catch it. Fuck with it. We'll leave it there. So Sinead mar gur magi chulachan a black porch live stream. Thank you everyone who participated in the live stream. To Sudan go metronona magi. I hope you all have a lovely evening. Agus Jerry Shaft and a jazz fresh and a lovely weekend as well. As better go victim my ship. Ni ma kinch for more. I'm not sure about tomorrow, but victim man. Lagos na leinta. One of the days. Better Jalona Jamart. Victim which the Sulam hopefully. Sinead mar gur magi chulachan. Thank you everyone who participated. Slán go fóil, slán agus beannacht. Sinead mar slán.